In this tutorial, I will show how to add a product on WordPress using WooCommerce. The first step is to access the admin dashboard for your WordPress site. Then you want to have the WooCommerce plugin installed. To install WooCommerce, navigate over to the Plugins tab on your sidebar and click Add New. Searching WooCommerce as a keyword in the search bar will lead you to these search results. As you can see, I've already installed WooCommerce. The plugin will allow products to be added here under the Products tab. This setup page has a couple of fields that should be filled out. One such field is product name, where the name of your product goes. For my purposes, I will name my product Hoodie. This empty text box is where the long description of your product goes. The short description will show underneath the product name. Any other specifications can be made under product data. Be sure to include an image for your product. This can be done here. Images added to product gallery is useful for showcasing products in an alternate angle or close up. Once satisfied with the way you've configured your new product, you can publish it by clicking Publish. Now your product can be seen publicly.